Welcome back, my car enthusiasts. Today we're going to be fixing the undercarriage paint that we did before. As you guys saw in another video, before I didn't really have any high temperature paint to do the exhaust. So as you can see, it's starting to like rust. Oh, basically it burnt off all the paint basically. So now I'm thinking I'll go ahead and come back with some high temperature paint. This one says it's for like caliper paint, whatever. But I figure it's as long as it's high temperature and it's black, it should work for my whatever. It should work for what I want it for, right? So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of touch up everything underneath there, and then maybe we'll install some window wipers on the Comanche over there. So let's shake this thing up real good, kick this underneath there, and start painting. Oh yeah.
I don't think there's exactly a technique to it, so we'll just start spraying it on there, huh? Make it all nice and pretty. Oh yeah. Now, if you want to see the full video of me spraying the undercarriage here, I have it right there. You'll see that card pop up right about there, and then you guys can watch it for yourselves. Yeah, and we're just gonna keep getting this going and make it beautiful. And eventually, I'm going to maybe change out the exhaust to something else. So list down below what in in the comments what muffler I should go to. Like, I don't know, I forget what it's called, but one of those. List them down below if you think I should do it, and if you actually have it and you want to sponsor this video, maybe I'll go with you guys. So yeah. It's kind of funny, after I painted the exhaust, I could definitely smell burning paint. It was definitely a very unique smell. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't smell like that on this round. I probably should get like an exhaust tip for this thing, but I don't know, should I, or should I keep it the thin look? I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm always open to suggestions, links, sponsorships, all that, you know it. Gotta make sure to get all the exhaust pipes under here, otherwise it looks mangy and old. Gotta make it beautiful. Oh yeah. So alrighty then, I think we got it all done. It's nice and blackened underneath there. All underneath there, so it's not all rusty looking. Same thing with up in there, all that. So it looks good now. So now if you look at it from the back, because before it always draw your eyes down, so it always looked like super close to the ground and like lift didn't look as good. So now it just kind of blends in there nice, so good. Oh yeah, it makes a nice slimming effect. So I would call it a success if it stays. So hopefully it stays, and hopefully it stays black. So let's move on to the Comanche and just put some window wipers on there and just kind of finish up the video. Alrighty, so yeah, I don't know how I get these ones off. It's kind of funny how like each window wiper is slightly different than the rest, but I don't know, I think you pull up on this tab. Well, it came off easy, so. And I think they're 18 inches, that's what the guy said. We'll see if he's correct, and we'll even see if they even go on. Pull this out. Let's try it then. We'll just go in here, push it on, and okay, that was surprisingly easy. If that's the way it's supposed to go. Cool, now let's go to the other side. Let's get this side sorted. So last time I just pulled up on this doohickey here and then pushed it out. Maybe that's not how it works. Well, got it off. Now, let's get back to this one. Put these new blades on. Oh yeah. So now I'm thinking it goes this way again, and then it should just slide right on. Booyah. And how to get it off, I do not know, but it looks like it works. So that was a success. Oh yeah. Alrighty then, we got it all done. We got it nice and black underneath there, all nice and painted, as you could say, and hopefully it stays this time. So yeah, it definitely makes it look better, you know. Makes the Jeep look better, definitely. And then we also installed the windshield wipers on that thing. So if you want to see me painting the undercarriage, it'll be right here. And then just follow along in the playlist right here to see the Comanche build over there. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Whoop!